Hello everyone, welcome to Children's Art Museum of India. Our today's topic is going to be Madhubani Birds. For this topic, we are going to use a normal sketch pen, two fine-tipped black markers. You can also keep colored markers, a ruler to divide our paper, and pencil and eraser. As we all know, Madhubani is popular for its beautiful villages and their ancient art, which is known by the name of Madhubani painting. This style of painting is characterized by its use of bright colors, geometric patterns, and stylized figures. Madhubani paintings are often used to decorate walls, floors, and furniture. It is often seen in Madhubani paintings that birds are depicted in bright colors with intricate details and can symbolize many things, which includes beauty and harmony of nature, spirituality, fertility and prosperity, freedom, happiness, and harmony of the nature. Birds are sometimes seen as messengers of the gods and are believed to bring good luck. They can also represent fertility and prosperity and symbolize freedom, happiness, and harmony. Some common birds featured in Madhubani paintings include peacock, parrots, sparrows, and owls. These birds are often depicted alongside other natural elements such as trees and flowers. Madhubani art is traditionally created using vegetable dyes, natural pigments, and ground rice paste on cloth, wood, or paper. The earliest Madhubani paintings can be found in caves in India dating back to 6th century. While adding scallops is the most common type of pattern, you can also experiment with different types of curves and geometric lines. Birds are often featured in these paintings to represent the beauty and harmony of nature. Birds have long served as symbols of beauty, grace, and spiritual significance in art culture. Symbolizing lightness, joy, and happiness, the birds are said to be good luck and an indication that challenging times are over. around birds, you can add something with your own creativity as well. Like in this artwork, I will be adding cloud towards the end. That's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more.